Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure risk in the future trading, and we strongly advise you to stay on a sim or follow our signals on a sim. And all our videos are for educational purpose only. So please be careful when you are trading. At the moment, we have um, the market analyzer and the market analyzer with the automated trade, and we will explain all those within a second. We have a new signal coming up, so we will um, for the ones, if you just give me 1 second, please. For the ones that want to follow the full automated trade, we will be covering the swing trading, scalping, and the new auto trade and the signals. There is some problem with the Ninja Trader data. So just if you give me 1 second to sort out where is the problem coming from, and we will, um, all the numbers start looking funny. Just if you give us a second, please. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. We had some problem with the Ninja Trader, and we will for some reason the data, and we will go ahead and put it on, coming right back on, resetting the data. We will be covering a lot of auto trades today, and we will follow a lot of signals. But at the moment, on the ES, we have already hit the target, and there is a new sell on the ES at 98 level. We should not be trading at the moment the ES. I will let you know within a few seconds, please, if you just allowed us to reset the data. For some reason, it did go off, and we will show you the micro account today. We're about to have a new signal on the ES, and then we can put it at 9850 ES, sell order 9850. 9850. It is a sell order. And we will look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq right now, there is nothing. And the YM, nothing. But 9850 is your sell order. And it is going to your direction to the 88 level. 88 level. So this is a very good entry price. And while we are resetting the database here, it just started to have a problem with the data. So apologize for that, guys. Stay on that trade, please. And the target is 87.75. So we can put it at 88.50. This is a very good start. If you want to follow us, please follow us on a sim. And I got your micro account, but for some reason, something did go off with NinjaTrader database, and right at the start. So I'm trying to sort out the problem and reset it without closing NinjaTrader. So I apologize for that, and give me just a couple seconds to see if we can put it back in line. Nevertheless, this ES trade is doing very fine. And we will be covering some of the automated trading very soon. We have the CL on a 5 minutes, and we have the DAX as well on the, I believe is on the 5 minutes as well. And we will be, the YM has closed, and we will be covering some of the auto trade. If you just bear with me just 1 second, please. Okay. Now we are back online. And we will try to give you the micro account. Just I need to reset it one more time, please. We're still going down on that trade, and the target is 88.75, please. For the ones that like to follow us on the Forex, you can follow us on the Forex. The Forex is extremely strong today. And we are using the Russell 3 minutes on the full automated trade. And the ES trade, we're still on that ES trade. For the YM, we are about to hit the target. There is nothing we can do, but we call the first trade, and it is okay. And for the ones like to follow the scalping, there we go. Here you can follow the scalping as well. And I really have a problem with the database. If you allow me just a few seconds. We're about to hit the target on that ES. Your target on that ES 88.75, please. We have a little pullback on the ES, but it was a very good call. And if you wanted to close it, close it. Or if you want to stay with it, stay with it. It's up to you. Let me try to see if we have anything new here on the... At the moment, there is nothing. There is no trade. Just we are on hold a little bit. Except the ES, there is no trade. And if you are on that trade with the ES, please close it. At the moment on the YMES, they all hit the target and below the target, so there is nothing. You can follow the scalpers on the left upper corner here. There is a scalper, but this is it. There is no trade at the moment on the YMES. There is a little pullback on the Nasdaq. We'll keep monitoring this, but the only trades they are is the gold and the Russell. But the gold is doing extremely well. The target is 1285 on the 3 minutes fully automated. But right now we are sitting on the standby, and if you give me a few seconds, we will start covering some of those auto trade. Let's look at the DAX, the Nasdaq. We have a pullback at the entry price at 7704, and it seems like we are about to get a new signal, so we'll keep our eye on that too. And yes, so we'll leave it. Once we get the new signal, we will notify you on the new signal. In the meantime, let's look at the auto trade, the ones we have covered on Monday. We have covered on Monday the setting on the auto trade on 3 minutes, and it hit the target on the ES. We started around 8:36, and all of it hit the target, all the 3 minutes. Here is your 3 minutes on the CL, also hit the target. We started around 8:30 on that system, and for the ones did not have a chance to come on Monday, to our members, just contact me, and this is the YM. That's what we are using. We are using only YM, Nasdaq, and CL and ES, and all of them have hit the target. This is your ES, and this is your CL, and this is your Nasdaq, and this is your YM. So we did very well on this. Also on if you want to overnight, because the 4 minutes made over 1800. If you want to also the 4 minutes This is your 4 minutes on the ES, and this is your 4 minutes on the CL, and this is your 4 minutes uh, on uh, on a Nasdaq, and they all hit the target. And if you wanted to use the Renko bar, I better put them before I get them messed up. Also, if you want to use the Renko bar, the Renko bar also closed all position, and we still have one more on the YM, and it is done. All of them closed position on this new auto trade. And for the ones who have missed the webinar on Monday, to our members, please contact me, and then we will try to update you as much as we can. Let me show you on the Renko bar. There is no trades to call right now, so we are waiting on a new trade. Your Renko bar as well. Here's your ES. It hit it. CL, it hit it. And Nasdaq hit it. They all closed. They all finished. And one trade, and it is. Oh yes, sir, it is. And now we have one losing trade on the YM, but the Renko also from the first trade, all of them from the first trade, two trade, and they were hitting the target. And it is very easy, guys. What you do, you can reload, and now we are going to reload, and then you go for the next round. So I prefer to have a smaller target, and if this market going smoothly, then you just go ahead and there we go, start taking a new trade, and it is extremely fast, and so and we will be covering much more on those. We will try to get you. We are waiting on a new signal. I apologize for this delay, but I really got a problem with the database, and I need to. I'm not able to go ahead and restart NinjaTrader right now to get it reset, but there's a few things I need to reset on my Ninja, and it started right at the open, and so I apologize for that. I'm not paying too much attention here. We are about to. We do not have a new signal, and I'm keeping my eye for you to have the new signal. Also, I made the market analyzer to work with the micro account, but sadly today we're not able to cover that until we find out with the database. And but you're very welcome while we are waiting on a new signal to follow the scalpers. Is on the right upper corner. and we'll try to see if we can grab anything in here. There is not much right now. There is no new signal, so we have to wait, guys. The targets, the entry price is 98.75, target 88. On the NASDAQ, 704.75, target 64. So we are already in those trades. I cannot do anything with it. So we are waiting until we get a new signal. And we should get a new signal very soon. On the full automated with the signal, this is the only trade we have. In the swing trading, everything has been locked and done for today on the swing trading. So we are waiting on a new signal, and there is no a new signal at the moment. We still have onto the short position, and we have 596 takes based on the entry signal, and this one here based on one lot only. On the ES, we still 35 ticks based on the last entry. The Nasdaq is 146, YM 71, 68. Russell, 30-year Treasury bond is a flat, and then 5 ticks on the CL. Gold 27 ticks, DAX 254, and 6E. Um, it is 13 ticks, and this one here we use the full automated on the 3 minutes and the ATM 1 minute. So at the moment there is nothing, there is no trade whatsoever, and we are waiting on a long signal to trade, and there is nothing at the moment. You're very welcome to follow some of the scalpers if you want to, but the market is dropping, it's down, it's direction down, and you're very welcome to follow the scalpers, but there is nothing in this market to call right now. It's too late to call any trade. We called the ES only, and it was okay. But at the moment, I don't see any trade. So we have to wait. If we want to look at the bigger picture with the 15 minutes chart on the ES, we are already hit the target one, hitting the target two, and there is not much to do. The short was a little bit earlier than 10 o'clock, and so we have to be patient for this market to change direction so we can have a new trade. So far, we are sitting in the middle, and there is nothing we can trade. So we have to stand by. Right now, we are 570 ticks from the last entry, and the ES still hit the target two times and staying at the bottom. And the same thing on the Nasdaq, hit the bottom, and the YM has hit the bottom. So there is not much to do, guys. The only thing we need to wait on a new signal. So there is nothing to say except hang in there to see if we can get a new signal. In the meantime, if you'd like to, you're very welcome to follow the scalping if you want to scalp the market. And this is the best we can do right now. There is nothing. We called one ES. It was very good. But there is nothing right now. So we are sitting and, just being quiet for a while. And we will, and this is my last one on the automated, is about to close on the Russell. And we have one more left. But the rest has already closed position. We have the gold. There is a double resistance here, but is about to hit the target. This is fully automated. It's not an ATM. So they are both hitting the target, and we are done with those trades. So we're completely out of position at the moment, except the auto trades. And the auto trades has most of them also hit the target. We had an early run this morning, so everything has hit the daily target, and so we are waiting on a new signal. Nothing we can do. This one is about to hit the target, and the gold is about to hit the target. That's it. Those are the last two positions in the signal entry. Those are the last two positions we have. So we stand by to see if we can get you any trade. The system, it is going, when it goes short, you get one time signal. And when the market turn around and go long, you get one time signal. And then if the market it changed to short, then you get one time signal. On the price action, you get to trade one direction. When the market change direction, you trade it. And once it's done, it's done. And then we wait to the new signal. So it is a total different than the normal automated trade. As an example, here on the full automated trade, on the swing trading, is still in that trade. And then if the market is changing direction, it's going to close position and open position to the long. But with the signal, it is a little bit different. It's going to stay on that trade until it hits the target. So this is the difference between those two. And we have the DAX. It is on the swing trading today. This is your DAX. It is amazing entry. And we're still on the same trade on the DAX 5 minutes. And then on the YM, while we are waiting on a new signal, we have the swing trading. Also, you can see they started some of them a bit early, and we're still running on those trades. And then we have It's been running all morning, those the ones on that side. And and here is your 10 minutes also, if you like to see the 10 minutes. But the rest has hit the target. All of them have hit the market. So those also the only positions we have left on the swing trading. The four range, the 150 ticks, they all closed position immediately today. It was beautiful, actually, run early this morning. And now we are sitting on a standby. There is nothing. So that's okay. But those are the trades right now on the swing trading. And all the T7, we have covered that. So those are in early entries, and we still running those early entries. So nothing we can do. It seems like we're about to have a new signal. Hopefully on the ES, we're done to the bottom, and now we are going up. So let's see if we're gonna have a new signal on the ES. So guys, I'm gonna stand by until we have a new signal. Right now we have 630 ticks from the last entry signal, and there is no swing trading at the moment. But what you can do, you can follow the scalpers. When the market fire in the scalper, you're very welcome to follow it. But we will be looking at a new signal with the ES, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. We are completely out of a trade, and the only positions we have left is the gold, and that's it. And it's been on that trade forever, and it came in twice because there is a double resistance here. So those the only positions we have left, and so we'll wait. Nothing we can do. Welcome to trading. Okay, guys, I'll be quiet for a while. It is very true, Gary. And the market is sitting. Once, guys, the market goes between those two yellow lines, there is no more short trades. And we are just to the downside right now from the last entry signal. We have 757760 ticks based on one contract on the market analyzer. We already hit all the targets, and there is no trades except the the swing trading, which as you see, they keep hammering to the downside, and there is nothing we can do. The Nasdaq 1400, the DAX 7000, YM 2000, YM the 5 minutes 2000, and the other one was 10 minutes, and the 5 minutes ES 3000. So there is nothing we can do. And on the new auto trade, all of them we have showed a few minutes ago, all of them has already hit the targets. You know, this is a good test, Gary. We already hit the target long time ago, so we're gonna go ahead and reactivate the new auto trade to see how it's gonna handle it, because we set on a $500 target and like the swing trading, so we're gonna go ahead and reactivate them and trying to see if we get any action on those 3 minutes. And this one already hit the target. So everything in this market, I had on my mind today to run the micro account, and I bumped into problem earlier, but I will try to set it up for you as we speak right now. And I lost this template, so I will make a new market analyzer for the micro ES, so you can follow those signals on the micro ES as well. So there is nothing to do, guys. We just wait until we get a new signal, and I'll stay quiet. No, Gary. Look, if we look a little bit over the 15 minutes, this is we are about to hit the third target. We had an early sell off. We have the reversal and an early short sell off at 1725. And now we are about to hit the third target. I think it will be 82.75 profit taken, and it is done and over with. If we're gonna go farther than the 82.75, it will be 72. This is a very heavy. So keep your eye on the 82.75, and if this is where the profit should be taken now, 11.04. So those targets they hit between 11 and 12 o'clock. So I'm not sure. Keep your eye on the 82.75, and we will see what will happen here. Um, it is an amazing run today on the forex, with all this noises in the market, with all the news in the market. So this is a really nice to see this market moving. This is on the micro account, and this is based on one contract only on the micro account. If you notice, guys, the micro account is a total different entry than your normal ES. As an example, if we take the ES, we have an entry price on the mini ES 98.75. On the micro account is 904.50, and then you have the YM. The entry price is 127. On the YM here is 128, and the Nasdaq is 7704.75, and the Nasdaq is in line 7704.75. So the micro account is a bit different than the normal e-mini, and we will be covering a lot with the micro account as well, and we will add them on the list with the micro account. And I think the best way to do it to add them in here, so everyone can follow it uh, if they don't have a big account. It will be very nice to hatch the market on a mini account. And this one here is a very affordable, based on one contract, 50, $60, 41, and $70. I mean, this is what, less than a $400 margin. Yes, sir. Yes, Cloud. It is based on 1 minute, one contract, the micro account. And actually, I like it because you can hatch the market all over the place. And this is really nice for people are scared to go live. That will be something you can be uh, looking for. At the moment, I'm going to stay a little bit longer. At the moment, it seems like we are about to have a new signal. So I'm keeping my eye on that, and we will be um, telling you when there is a new signal coming out. Guys, there is not much to do. We had those signals earlier today, and the run was a bit earlier than 10 o'clock, and there is nothing left for us to take. It's been an extreme day today. Actually, on the it is amazing on the scalper A 1 minute. We did extremely good on the scalper in 1 minute, and this one here on 150 take. But this is amazing numbers today. And then we have the swing trading. It is an amazing numbers on the DAX, ES, YM, CL. We had a beautiful run earlier today, and on the new micro account we have. This is not bad at all for one contract on a micro account, 56, 44, and 48. This is amazing. This is $142 on a $400 margin. So not even a $400 margin. So this is amazing numbers today. But whoever got into this market earlier today nailed it. And whoever came in late today, he just run out of luck. And nothing we can do. We try to help guys, but we called one trade ES, and it was it. There is nothing. Wait a minute. We might gonna have a NASDAQ. Let's see if we're gonna have a NASDAQ. No, the NASDAQ fell again, so there is no new signal. If I was you, I'll protect the investment today and call it off. And there is nothing we can do. It was a very nice day on the trade, and we have some trades that have been hours, and there is just they have not closed position yet. And this is really amazing. So I want to say thank you very much, and hopefully tomorrow we will have better signals. And apologize today when we first started the YouTube. I lost the data on the Ninja Trader for some reason. I need to restart Ninja Trader, so I couldn't do that. So, guys, this is it for today, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have better signals to call. God bless you all, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.